Hey guys, Left-Handed Chef here. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make sourdough focaccia. I baked this on a Thursday evening after work. I did not feel like cooking up a full dinner, but wanted to experiment and see how a quick rice focaccia would turn out. What better way than to record and document my experience? Let's start with the poolish, which is basically a pre-ferment. 200 grams of sourdough starter, 500 grams lukewarm water, and 20 grams of yeast. Sourdough starter is typically not used in this recipe, but it should add some yeasty complex flavors to the dough. Mix it all together and let it sit for 30 minutes. There's nothing better than home-baked bread with some of my favorite toppings, which include Kalamata olives and sun-dried tomatoes. To clarify, this recipe is my own experimentation and interpretation of this bread. I fully appreciate the rich history of Italian cuisine, but this process and technique should be taken with a grain of salt. Add 700 grams of flour to a mixing bowl. Add the poolish mixture. Combine it until evenly mixed. If you follow these guidelines, you will end up with a delicious end product. The end goal is to end up with a light, bready goodiness, flavored with your favorite aromatics. Add some extra virgin olive oil into a white baking dish and spread out the dough. Wet your fingers and push the dough through the corners. Cover it and let it proof. The longer the better. I decided to let it proof for 60 minutes in the oven. You can preheat the oven for a minute or two to make sure it's nice and warm. This will help with the proofing process. After the first rise, add the toppings to the dough and use your fingers to push everything into the dough. Now, let it proof for a second time. This next proof should take between 30 minutes to an hour. I had some extra rosemary from a previous dinner that I made. Rosemary basted pork tenderloin. I will link the video in the description so you guys can check it out. After the final rice is done, add some extra olive oil on top and sprinkle some coarse salt. After 2 rices, it's ready to cook. Bake it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes until the dough is golden brown. My conclusion of this experiment is that it is easy to make focaccia on a weeknight, and you do not necessarily need a lot of time. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope you try this recipe. You will not be disappointed. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please like this video or leave a comment.